show you how to learn the times table. Do you find it difficult to memorize the times table? If you follow my method, you can easily by heart it. Here's the times table we are supposed to learn from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mathematics flying by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mathematics flying by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mathematics flying by. Practice makes perfect. What all materials do you need for this? A few sheets of paper, a pencil and a rubber. The times table of 1, 2, 5, 10 and 11 are very easy to memorize, isn't it? So now, let's try and learn the times table of 3. Take a piece of paper and copy the times table of 3. Read aloud the table 10 times. Fold this sheet in such a way you can't see the product side. Read the left side loud and guess and say the product. If you can't guess the answer, have a sneak peek at the right side. Again, close the right side and repeat saying. Repeat, repeat, repeat until you can say the table fully. Now take another piece of paper and write the table of 3. If you go wrong, look at the main table and write. Repeat this until you can write the table of 3 without error. Now say the table loud without looking at it. And make sure you have by hearted it. Now ask someone to ask you randomly from the table of 3 and you say the answer. For example,
what is 6 times 3?
18.
Then what is 9 times 3?
27.
Correct. Then what is 12 times 3?
36.
What is 4 times 3?
12.
Correct. What is 7 times 3?
21.
Correct.
If you answer them all of them correctly, that means you have mastered the times table of 3. In this way, do with all the remaining numbers.
If practiced regularly, a year 1 child can by heart the whole times table in a week. Now take a big sheet of paper and create the times table on it, then display it on your study room.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel,
Lara Kidz School Art. I am Milan. All school kids need to do many activities at home as part of their projects, homework and STEAM. My sister Lara makes videos of many such activities that could help school kids, especially the kids in the primary schools. Please subscribe to Lara Kidz School Art and click the bell button for receiving future videos. Thank you. Bye.